Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you're having an absolutely fantastic day. We have 3 books in front of us. Number 1, the most important book, in my personal opinion, the Holy Bible. I love this thing. NLT translation, love it. But the meaning behind this video, besides good books, is going to be Audible. Now, I love to open up a physical book. I'm not going to lie to you about that one. That is absolute pleasure. Sometimes I don't have time, though. I'll be honest with you. I'm actually ending 75 Hard Fitness Challenge right now. And to be honest with you, I don't know the technicalities, if you can call it, if you have to physically read, but I've been physically reading, but there has been times, I'm going to be honest with you, where I've been doing long walks in the morning, getting some UV light, and it's just, I'm going to be honest with you, a lot easier listening to books on tape. I'm just going to call it that. And that's where Audible comes in. For me, again, it's the time frame, listening to it in a car, just soaking it in. I did that with the 4-Hour Work Week by Tim Ferriss, and you can just start cranking this thing over again. You can kind of like, go back and repeat it. Listen to podcasts. Don't waste those commutes in your car. Don't listen to junk music. Educate yourself. Learn a new language. Download books. The Bible. These are all beautiful things. Soak this up. Don't lose that time. You're doing DIY projects in your house. Literally have Audible on. With the 75 Fitness Challenge, there's times where I'm like ready to go to bed and I'm like, oh my gosh, I forgot to read 10 pages of a book. Oh my goodness gracious, I'm exhausted. But I did it because I told myself I was gonna do the challenge. That's why I wanna make this video for you guys. A couple recommendations. I mean, not absolutely fantastic book. I'm almost done with it, but there are some nuggets in here. Psychology of Money. This one was good on the ruthless elimination of hurry, John Mark Comer. And of course, my number 1, I read it every single day, the Holy Bible, NLT, New Living Translation, right there. What I'm getting at is continue your education, continue to get recommendations. I have a good friend. He's like, what was that book? And he just pops it on Audible, gets it, bada bing, bada boom. The next book I actually have coming is going to be the Bitcoin Standard. I really want to read about that. Again, I'm finishing 75 Hard. That's why I have physical books here, but I don't know, again, the technicalities. If you can listen to it, I don't see why not. Anyway, top link in the description box below is going to be a link where you literally can get Audible Premium Plus for 30 days for free. Check out Premium Plus. They have Plus and Premium Plus. The major difference with Premium Plus is that after you download the books and you can use credits for books, you get to keep the books even if you cancel. With Plus, you don't. You lose whatever books you have in your account even if you cancel. So if you want to check it out, 30 days for free, might as well cancel anytime. Grab some books, grab the Bitcoin Standard, learn about cryptocurrency, learn about psychology of money, learn about Jesus Christ, learn about the ruthless elimination of hurry. This is actually by a pastor, and he has some really good nuggets in here as well. Grab your 30-day trial, Amazon, Audible Premium Plus. Top link in the description box below, as well as the comments. Enjoy your books, guys. Let me know if reading books has changed your life. Everyone says that very wealthy, successful people read books every single day. And even after 75 Hard Fitness Challenge, I am actually going to keep reading books because I like to continue my education and I'm going to learn the language French as well. Anyway, top link in the description box below, as well as the comments. My name's Chris, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.